Hey guys, welcome back to Treasure Light's Breakthrough, and I'm your host, Treasure Light, and I would like to make an apology. Today I was doing a makeup tutorial, and these were the results. However, in the entire makeup tutorial, I mentioned not one thing about the narcissist, nor how I cope with the narcissist, or anything about when I'm doing my makeup. Um, how it makes me feel when I'm done or during the process, or what benefits it has towards me and my physical and mental disabilities. Not only did I forget to mention that, but the tutorial itself was not of any good quality whatsoever. I didn't have my camera set up correctly on the right side of the room, so most of the time I was looking in the mirror and not at the camera. The camera couldn't see what I was doing. I was showing the end results of each step. And so what I've decided is that I'm going to um, do another tutorial altogether. I probably won't do exactly what I did today. It'll probably be more in the purple range as opposed to today. I was going for, as you can clearly see, burgundy, and hence the hair, the makeup, and even what I have on. And this is all of the stuff that I had used. I even rearranged things here in the room so that I can set everything up. But this is basically what I had done. Okay, guys, so as you can clearly see, I brought all of everything from the bathroom, my carousel, my makeup carousel, and all of that. Then I had everything out here, and I did use, um, these makeup tools and things like that. But as I stated, I didn't explain anything um, properly because I really was just kind of rushing through it. And to be honest, guys, I'm really just not feeling it. I came out of the hospital on the 12th, and I've been doing nothing but resting up ever since. And so when I did the video, it was in the hopes that I could, um, sorry, hold on. It was in the hopes that I could do something good and um, let you guys know that there are other ways to cope with, like I said, living with a narcissist or your own personal mental health issues and that of someone else's. And this was going to be one of the tutorials that was going to show how basically I feel when I do my makeup, after I do my makeup, how it makes me feel when I look in the mirror and see a different face as opposed to the face that matches my parents. And anyway, I apologize. I will redo an entire video. I won't promise that that video will be coming out within a couple of days or anything like that after this one, but it will be posted shortly. I won't take too long to be in this little funk that I'm in. And tonight I'm going to be doing one of my, hold on, one of my herbal uh, cucumber sheet masks after taking all of this off because I did a lot before I did my whole facial routine and my whole moisturizing routine, and then plastered all this stuff all over my face. It's got primer and foundation and everything, contour and powders, and so I want all of this off. That's how I prefer my skin. It's late at night, despite what you see here in the background. It is already 10:40 p.m. and today is the 15th, which is when this video is supposed to be made, or the makeup tutorial, and it was supposed to be posted by the 17th. So if I feel up to it, I will do another one tomorrow. I will make sure that it's much more professional, I won't be doing the whole facial thing that I did in this one because I had done a black mask, and I will edit that video so that you can see some of what's on it, but I'll do a better video for you guys. So I do apologize. I hope everything's understood about what's going on in this particular video here and what went on in the other one. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys are okay out there, and we'll be discussing my doctor visit, my second son's picture he sent me after it was about 12:47 on Sunday. He sent me, which of course was after my birthday. My birthday was on Saturday. A picture of a gunshot wound, and that of course he has, and it was upsetting. And I ended up in the hospital on Tuesday, and now I'm just trying to come down from all of that. But I wanted to stay in doing my content as I had promised. So once again, please bear with me. I do apologize, and hopefully I'll have a new video out there for you guys ASAP, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I need to take all of this off and lay myself back down and relax again. All right, so thanks for watching, and hope everybody's good out there. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a blessed one.